small number, then you take the sine inverse of that number. 0.0948 degrees. That's what alpha is. So small. 0.0948 degrees. So that pretty much goes to show that if the Earth is lined up with the Sun, the Moon, no matter where it is, it's going to be pretty much lined up with the Sun because the Moon is so much closer to the Earth than the Sun. Okay? So now we can take that 0.0948 degrees and we could put it here, cosine of alpha. So here, f total x. Remember, this one was negative because it went to the left. This one was positive, it went to the right. So you're going to have negative 4.358 times cosine of the angle is 0.0948 plus 1.983 cosine of 40. So since they were both 10 to the 20th, I can just factor that out, and I'm going to get negative 2.84 times 10 to the 20th newtons. Okay? And then F total y, the y direction, they're both negative. So I simply just go negative 4.358 sine of 0.0948 minus 1.983 sine of 40. Because they're both negative, they just basically add up. Negative 1.28 times 10 to the 20th newtons. So that's the total force on the Moon due to both of them. And then you square both of them, add them, and square root them. So you would get 1.28 squared plus 2.84 squared to the power 0.5. So F total would be 3.115 Newton. Of course, times 10 to the 20th. Okay, so vector-wise, this would be kind of like here, and the angle would be this one, you see. So the magnitude of that, F total, is coming out to be 3.155 newtons times 10 to the 20th newtons. And then the angle, so this angle here, is going to come out to be, well, let's see here, what does it come out to be? It's going to be the tan inverse of this over this, right? So the angle is tangent inverse of 1.28 over 2.84. Tan inverse of 1.28 divided by 2.84, close parentheses, 24 degrees. 24.26 degrees. So you could see it wasn't an obvious answer. So it kind of looks roughly like this, drawn more accurately. Here's the Earth, let's say here is the Moon. Okay. So this angle is about 0. Here is the angle is about 40 here. It's about half as, this one is about half the strength of that one. When you put that to this one, you get this vector. And that angle from the horizontal is about 24 degrees. And that makes sense. From the left side, from the negative x-axis is 24 degrees down. So you see the combined path of the Moon, therefore, is determined by the combined gravity of the Earth and the Sun on the Moon. And of course, you could complicate this. You could say Jupiter also attracts the Moon, Venus attracts the Moon, and you could write up a computer program that can simulate what is the path, the combined path of the Moon, because everything is attracting it. Okay? And the same thing, what is the combined path of the Earth due to all the other planets attracting it? and any other planet. Okay? Of course, this would be even more complex if we had a binary star system, 2 stars attracting the Earth, and then a lot of complex stuff happening. As you can see, this is a very complex issue. Okay, so that gives you a little taste of multi-bodies and the combined force of each one on one planet.